Hello everyone, this is Fiona. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget, using recycled items, thrifting items, and of course, Dollar Tree items. So if you love that kind of content, I would love to you consider and be part of this family just by hitting the subscribe button and also hit the bell, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video and you will not miss anything. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a beautiful farmhouse decor. So let's get started. So here are the materials. I'm going to start off by lining the stair sticks using the square and using a pencil to mark where I have to cut, as you can see. Next, I'm going to use the masking tape and make a group to cut them with my miter box. Just like so. Next, I'm going to be using sandpaper and smooth it out the edges. So next, I went ahead and removed the masking tape and line it out again using the square. I also going to be leaving like a small space in between, as you can see, to create that cheap lab look. Just like so. And then I went ahead and grabbed 2 more sticks and also measure it and cut it. So now I'm going to be attaching all the pieces together using wood glue. You can use any glue. You can also use hot glue if you don't want this project permanent. But in this case, I really want this project permanent, so I'm using wood glue. Just like so, and now I'm going to let it dry for 20 minutes. But you can also leave it all night if you like it or if you prefer, but I can wait for 20 minutes was enough for me, so then I just was really careful when I had to paint it. So now I'm going to be working with the wood mill. First, I'm going to be cutting the stem and also the front part using strong scissors or pliers, as you can see. Please be really careful when you do this step. You can easily cut your fingers, so if you prefer, you can also use gloves. So next, I went ahead and used a little bit of hot glue and attached the front part back to the wood mill to cover the hole. Next, I'm going to be creating the towel of the wood mill using the skewers, so stay with me. As you can see, first I create like a triangle using the wood meal as a guide on the top, and then I went ahead and attached them using hot glue, just like so. I hold it for a couple of seconds until the hot glue got dry, as you can see. Next, I cut 6 pieces in different sizes to create the tower details. I didn't measure it, I didn't eyeball it, and hot glue them, as you can see. And I ended with something like that. Next, with another skewer, I'm going to be making an arrow, just like so. To create the point part of the arrow, I'm going to be using a leftover thin and just creating like a little triangle, and then hot glue. Just like so. And then I went ahead and cut 3 more pieces, and just to give you a better nice look to the tower, just like so. And then I'm going to be using the antique wax and staining everything, the entire tower, and also the edges of the wood meal. And I ended with something like that, beautiful. So I'm going to leave it on this side for a little bit, and my board is dry, and now I'm going to be give you one light coat of chalk paint in the color mineral, and that's how it looks like. Next, I'm going to be distressing a little bit the edges using the antique wax. Now my board is ready, and now I'm going to be attaching my little wood meal on the board using hot glue. But you can also use E6000 or any other kind of strong glue. At this point, this frame look absolutely beautiful, and I already have something like that in my home, so I want to make something a little bit different. You want to help me with the voiceover?
Yeah.
Can I finish my voiceover?
Yeah.
Yeah. What mom is doing in it?
Pencil.
It's a pencil, yes.
It's a waffle. Or here. Chocolates. And this. Oh, this.
As you can see, all I did was to trace a square on the board and then cut it with the box cutter. I have a little company, so sometimes really take me like 2 days to finish a voiceover. I don't normally share those things with you guys, but yeah, I thought, you know what, let me share a little bit of what is going on in this house. So as you can see, all I was trying to do is create a barn. So I draw it on it and then I cut it. You can avoid this step. You can use foam board if you prefer, or even a piece of cardboard. It would be nice and even quick. But I really like to work with those boards, so that's why I use that. Next, I also create like a little lines on it just to give you more details to the little bar. Next, I went ahead, I used the red acrylic paint, and then I just give it only one coat, and then I went ahead and distress it a little bit with black acrylic paint. Next, I'm going to be using a paint pen to create those little lines that I did before with the box cutter, but you can also use a little brush and paint. And I also draw a little windows, and then I realized that my little windows draw looks like my kid did it. So I tried to fix it with the ruler. And also I draw a door. Next, with the brown acrylic paint, I'm going to be painting the door, just like so. So now I'm going to be creating the frame of the door using small pieces of thing, as you can see. Next, I went ahead and attached it on the door using hot glue. And that's how it looks like. Oh my goodness, I really love how this thing came out. So next, I went ahead and grabbed some popsicle sticks, and now I'm going to be cutting a couple pieces just to create the roof. And I'm also going to be using some antique wax, stain it a little bit, and then just use some hot glue and attach it on it. I also handwritten the word welcome. So now our little bar is ready just to attach it on the board. So then I just added a lot of hot glue, attach it on it, and voila. And then I'm just going to be adding a little hanger on the back. So here I was trying to show you the so that you can use a little nail, but it still show up a little bit. But if you add a little bit hot glue after, I think it will not give you any damage to your wall. But I prefer to not use it, and I just attach the little hanger with the hot glue. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So I really hope you guys stay safe in home with your families, and God bless you all. See you guys next time. Say ciao ciao. Ciao ciao.